take a deep breath and flow with me. These gentle Tai Chi movements will help burn belly fat, stimulate the vagus nerve, lower cortisol, and restore calm, strength, and balance. Three, 2, 1, begin. Exercise 1. Gently bend and straighten your knees while swinging one arm forward and the other backward. Then alternate. This warms the legs, loosens the shoulders, improves coordination, and helps lower cortisol. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 2. Bend your knees with wrists crossed, then rise and rotate while opening both arms sideways. Return to center and switch sides to strengthen legs, loosen shoulders, and improve balance. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 3. Sink into a horse stance, then rise, rotate your torso, and open arms wide. Return to center and alternate sides to strengthen thighs, engage the core, and support belly fat burning. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 4. Stand wide, slide one hand down the leg while drawing the opposite elbow up toward the armpit. Return upright and switch sides to stretch the waist and mobilize the spine. 3, 2, 1. Next, exercise 5. Step into a forward stance. Open both arms, reach ahead, then draw the hands back and lean gently backward. Slow breathing may support vagal activity, chest mobility, and relaxation. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 6. Balance on one leg with the opposite heel forward. Open and rotate, circling one arm toward the opposite shoulder while drawing the other behind the back. Alternate to improve balance and balance. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 7. Stand wide, place one hand at the waist, lift the opposite arm overhead, and bend sideways. Return to center and switch sides to stretch the ribs, waist, and shoulders. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 8. Open both arms, shift onto one leg, bend the opposite knee, and touch the raised foot with one hand while the other reaches upward. Alternate sides to improve balance and thigh flexibility. 3, 2, 1. Next. Exercise 9. Clasp your hands, step one foot diagonally behind, and lift both arms overhead. Return to center and alternate sides. Slow, rhythmic breathing promotes relaxation and may help lower cortisol. Three, 2, 1. Next. Exercise 10. Sink into a horse stance with forearms level. Then rotate to one side and open the arms. Alternate sides to strengthen thighs, engage the waist, and loosen the spine. 3, 2, 1. Next. Exercise 11. Sink into a horse stance with hands clasped. Shift into a side lunge and reach forward. Then rise overhead. Alternate sides to strengthen legs, engage the core, and support belly fat burning. 3, 2, 1. Next. Exercise 12. Step into a wide stance. Reach one hand toward the front foot and the other upward. Sweep forward, then lift the chest and arc back. This opens the chest and may support vagal activity. 3, 3, 2, 1. Next, exercise 13. Step one foot lightly behind. Sweep one forearm across the chest as the other arm opens sideways. Return to center, then alternate sides to improve coordination, balance, and hip stability. Three, 2, 1. Next, exercise 14. Lift one knee while bringing the same side forearm upright. Lower gently, then alternate sides. Move slowly with steady breathing to improve balance, release tension, and relax the whole body. You did an amazing job. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep moving gently, breathing deeply, and
3,
making Tai Chi
2,
part of your daily
1.
wellness routine.
Next,